Alright, this is an unboxing, and I know I'm going to get a lot of shit over this, but this is from airbagit.com. Now, this whole kit was $252.87 after tax, and that included the shipping and all that good stuff with it. And now what this included was a parallel 4-link kit, two 2600 series bags, both the bottom and the top bag mounts. The bars are 21 inches long. I know that's short, but like the guy said, you know, you're getting a lot of stuff here for this price. Now it comes with a truckload of bolts and washers and stuff like that I'm gonna need, and it's all supplied, and it tells you it's all labeled. You know, hanger kit. I haven't even dug into this side over here, so yeah, one explained what it was. This says, okay, so this is for the bags. Got it. This one does not say exactly what it is, but it is the it's actually heim joints, believe it or not just straight up link bars and tabs and stuff. Now this kit also came with the panhard bar too. That might be even the panhard bar, because it came with the 4 beams themselves. That goes from front to back for the 4-link or 21 inches long, and then the panhard bar, whatever length that is, and that might even be it. Like I said, I haven't really gotten into the box yet. Still looking around, and here is the. I guess that's the rear mounts. Got it. Yeah, these are the rear link bar mounts. Goes under the axle. I had these cut for a 3-inch axle, so it gave me a little bit of gap. And I know a lot of guys complain about airbagit.com that they've had all these horrendous things. Don't buy from them. I've had 0 issues with them. I ordered this stuff on the 9th. And the guy was beyond nice to me. He actually, you know, he called me by my first name. He didn't make it so, you know, dreary. And their stuff is always nice. It's always well cut out. You can see the nice welding job that they've got here. Very clean. And it's not double welded all the way down like it is here, but it is tacked about 1 inch on each end, and you can see here, yeah, it's not as terrible of craftsmanship as everybody else complains about. Now, what they did, like, I don't know, 20 years ago, I have no idea. There's my other bag mount. So far, everything's accounted for except for the link bar ends. And there's a little more in here, and looky here, we got more stuff. Yeah, there we go. There's my 4 link bar ends, if you guys wonder what those are. So, pull these off. Ooh, these are really nice. I thought they'd be just raw material, but yeah, these are really nice. Got it. Cracking. Overall, I mean, like I said, for $250, everything you need to put a 4-link on your vehicle. For, you know, you guys that are just starting out getting your trucks bagged, stuff like that. Yeah, so I was right here. So that is the actual, one of the actual link bars that goes down the side of the frame. And this is the panhard bar. Now, it's not all that long. I may even lengthen it out a tad. I don't even know. I won't know anything until I get the bed off the truck and ready to go. But yeah, here's your front bag link bar mounts here. Like I said again, I seem to have no qualms about their quality. Nice thick 1/4-inch stuff. Welds look just fine and dandy to me. I mean, it's better than what most of this stuff you find is. Again, I have no, and I'm not a fanboy. I'm not just saying, this is cool because it's cheap. I'm just saying it's a very good alternative to the same thing. And don't get me wrong, Jason Thorbeck makes awesome stuff. And his stuff, I'm not saying that it's any worse or any better. I've seen some of the stuff he's put out, and it's awesome stuff. And it's really very well priced. But this is a step down from Jason's stuff. And I'm not going to say that it's terrible stuff. I mean, maybe it's a little rougher than what most guys want. But I want a bagged truck. I don't really care about the showmanship because this is all going to be hidden stuff. I am doing the tilt bed, so I may show off some of it. But this will all be painted, cleaned up as it goes on the truck. And again, if you guys like Jason, I'm not saying anything about his stuff because he does put out awesome stuff. And it's really very fairly priced. And he's got an awesome Lodestar truck that I've been dying to get a hold of. But yeah, if you want to go with a Thor Brothers kit, fine. If you want to go for airbagit.com, as far as, I don't know about their panels, like their fit and finish of panels, like for sheet metal work, but as far as their actual kits for the bag mounts and stuff, I have no qualms about buying again. Would do it 10 to 1, easy. I've never had to send anything back, so I can't tell you what the customer service is on that end, but I actually got an email that said, hey, if you have any problems whatsoever, don't hesitate to call me and get, this is where you need to reach me at. So again, so far, customer service has been top-notch for the airbagit.com stuff. I actually found this kit on eBay, and when I told him the price, the guy was like, oh, crap, I didn't know that I actually priced it that way. This is actually supposed to be a $350 kit, and I found it for $252 and some odd cents. But just wanted to do a little unboxing as I went along. The bags actually came in a separate bag, box. They're just generic 2600 series bags. I've got a set of their bags on the front of my truck right now. And other than my tire scuffing one up a little bit, even with that, I've had zero failure issues or, them leaking off. I've heard all these horror stories about airbagit.com. And quite honestly put, I think it's people that's had stuff shipped to them. They didn't know what to order to start with, or they did know what to order, but they didn't know how to put it on, or their welds couldn't match this stuff, and then they got mad. I mean, there's those kind of people out there too. Now again, I'm not a fanboy. I'm not paid for this. I'm just giving an honest review of their products so far. And as far as I'm concerned, I am beyond ecstatic with, how little I've had to put in, because the front bags and mounts, all four mounts for front for my truck, which is a 92 F-150, was $184 shipped. This was $252 and some odd cents shipped for a complete parallel 4-link for the back. So we're up to less than $700 and have a bagged truck. Now that doesn't include the drop beams and the beam relocators I'm going to have to get. But even with those, $1,200 would knock it out of the ballpark, plus pay for an engine-driven compressor setup. So don't discount airbagit.com due to you're afraid, because these guys seem to be putting together pretty decent kits for the cash.